Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 graduation outfit ideas since I'm finally getting ready to graduate, and I thought a lot of you guys could use some inspiration too. And a lot of these outfits are super functional for work events or other special occasions, and you can really mix and match a lot of these pieces to make even more looks for other occasions you may have. So let's get started. So for my first look, I'm wearing a beige blazer from Topshop paired with red pants from Zara. And what I love about this look is that the blazer has this tie waist on the side, and so it adds more detail and adds a waist to it while also having the flare in the pant. And alongside I put a beige scarf with beige shoes to kind of give it that summery, effortless vibe. And this is perfect for graduation and other special occasions you may have where you want that pop of color but still want something simple. For my second look, I paired a lilac tunic from Starrett along a teal scarf and cream fitted pants and topped it off with some silver pointed block heel shoes. And as you can see, there's a lot of ruffles in the neck, and so that just adds this extra dimension to your typical tunic. And what I really like about this look is that the colors are so in style this spring, and so you're able to pair a bunch of colors together that still look fresh and look appropriate for the event. For my third look for graduation, I'm wearing a tunic with oversized bell sleeves paired with the same cream pants you saw in the outfit earlier, and I topped it off with these hot pink mule heels. These heels are a great complement to the red in the tunic, and it's kind of a bit funky if you're wanting to play around more than a typical like beige or gold shoe. And just to top it off, I added a light pink scarf to play off of the same tones in the shoe. For outfit number 4, I'm taking a red oversized blazer and pairing it with some wide leg cream pants underneath. And this is that perfect outfit for the person who's trying to get a job right after graduation, so you're looking super business professional and sleek, especially with the pop of red in the blazer, so you're still adding a bit of summer vibes to what would be a perfect suit look for work. And just to top it off, I'm wearing a light pink scarf that kind of plays off of the tones in the blazer. For my final look for this graduation lookbook, I'm sharing an all-white statement outfit. And to pair this look together, I'm wearing an asymmetrical tunic which has pleats on the side and has a longer length on the other side, along with the same cream fitted trousers you've been seeing throughout this video. And this is just a perfect look for someone who's wanting to make a statement at graduation and kind of stand out in the all-white underneath the gown. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other lookbook suggestions or any other student related content topics, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my channel soon.